Greetings YouTube, LMS Tactical here. I hope everybody's doing good. I've got some things planned for the channel coming up. I'm working on getting a guest speaker on a subject that you'll never guess, but I don't want to say anything until I get that going because you never know. Things have a way of falling through. But in the meantime, this is a quick video, very short video, and once again, I'm coming to you as my extended family, and I'm requesting some assistance for somebody who happens to be a good friend of mine in Canada. And I don't want to get into too many details here because it would put most of you to sleep. I want to say that in the interest of networking, I'm looking to you to push this video because it only takes one person to hear it who knows somebody whose great uncles, next door neighbors, father's son-in-law is an attorney who knows somebody that could help. And it's really important, or I wouldn't be making this video. Basically, what we're looking for is we're looking for an attorney. The best case scenario would be this attorney would be practicing law in Canada. These people are in the Edmonton area of Canada, and they are being victimized in a very severe way, and I'm talking life-altering, by a very large financial institution. So the types of attorney or law firm that we're looking for, that they're looking for, is an attorney that that would be able to deal with I don't know if I guess it'd be like corporate law or whatever it takes to take on a major financial institution. This has to do with banking and such. But this would require somebody not only of extreme integrity, but quite frankly, it would be an attorney or a firm that has deep pockets, because as we know, these things cost money. And a lot of times that's what these entities, they count on the fact that you can victimize a lot of people, because most people don't have a shitload of money laying around to be able to take them on. They can wear you out, and not many attorneys will do things pro bono, especially when they're big cases, or high risk cases. I can say that I know enough about this to know that the majority of the investigative work has been done for whoever decides to take this case. And there's a super high probability of a very big payoff at the end. I mean, because you're dealing with a financial institution. But more important than that, it's a great chance to set a precedent and to protect the, no doubt, countless others that are also being victimized by this institution and others. And, I know I'm kind of speaking, around and about, because I don't want to try and, degrade the case by going into specifics. I barely understand it myself. But if you know any attorneys at all, especially operating in Canada and especially operating in the Edmonton area, who you could send this to, whether or not they handle this, attorneys are a lot like Green Berets and SEAL team members, and cops and firemen. They all hang around their own kind. So you might know some attorney in the family who knows of an attorney who works for a firm, or has an old business card in his Rolodex or whatever the hell. And so all it takes is one person to make the connection, and I would be eternally grateful. And I sure know that my friend up in Canada would be very grateful. So with that in mind, I appreciate you giving it a little thought and pushing it down the road if you think you can help. And in the meantime, I want everybody to stay safe, and we'll be seeing you soon. LMS Tactical, I'm out.